Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Hey, if you're new here, welcome to our Circle Plus. Today's Friday. No, it's not Friday. It's my Friday, y'all. It's Thursday, June 30th. But anyway, I'm off tomorrow. But guess what? I'm starting on a project. I haven't finished all the things I've started. You're probably like, okay, woman, you all over the place. Yes, I am. I am. But I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So I'm here at home. And I ordered some things on Amazon that's hopefully going to be coming in tomorrow, Friday. And I'm going to start my laundry room, cleaning it, decluttering it, and having everything organized in there. So still haven't finished my office, but it's almost done. And I'm going to paint the fireplace this weekend. So I'm just going to have you guys come along. So come on. What you waiting for? Hey guys, so we are here. What I'm actually looking for, I love that chair right here. This one right here. But I'm not ready to buy anything like that. What I'm actually looking for is a pot. Oh, these are some cute. No, no, they're not too heavy. But I want a pot to put the plant that my friend's mom gave me. So I'm looking for that. I like this, but it's too big. It's plastic. Yeah, I don't know. I think they're 50% off, guys. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Um, I don't know. I want something light. I don't want it black or gray. So this is nice. I don't know. This is. I wanted to have that concrete look. Yeah, I wanted to have this kind of look and feel. That's concrete, but we'll see. We'll keep looking. We shall keep looking. Yeah. I'm gonna go down this aisle and just look. Heavy item. Yeah, this is heavy. This is big. It's really big. It would take up a lot of space. You know what, guys? I just said I didn't want black, but this is perfect. I need maybe a little smaller, but I don't want the black color, so I'm gonna leave it there. I think these are on sale. I mean, if I have to spray paint them, I do have some paint, but I don't want to have to do that because I seen some last time they had a sale here, and I know they should have some. So I don't know. This is light. Yeah. I can't believe this. I thought they had a better selection. Oh well. Nah. Not doing anything for my taste buds at all. Is this heavy? Oh, this is heavy. I don't like the color. This is not a bad color. This color right here. This one. It's plastic. Okay. Well, I don't know. Let me see. It may work, oh guys. It just might work. Yeah. It's not too deep. And I don't know how much it is. I always say if there's no price, it's free. That's not true. We know that. I don't have a price on it. Okay. Well, does it? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to continue to look, bring you guys around. Yeah, there's literally one cashier here. One. And this is not even a busy day. This is Thursday. Now it's Saturday evening, July 1st, and we're just kind of leaving the house. It's so hot here. We're going to my son's for a family gathering, and we're going to try some different foods, and I don't know what the name of it is, but when I get over there, and we're also going to have drinks, so I'm going to share that with you guys. This is a real quick video. All right, talk to y'all soon. Bye. Hey y'all, we're here. We made it. So I'm gonna go inside and get settled, and like I said, I'm gonna share everything with y'all. So hang on in there. I'll see you in a few. Okay, Junior, I got it on me. Okay.
All right. So, instead of having traditional barbecue,
right,
and of course, like we're gonna do something different this year. It's gonna be Greek. So there's a dish called shepaya. Shepaya.
Shepaya.
Yeah, that's what I was just like. There was no McDonald's or KFC or anything like that. So all it is just minced meat. You get either like beef, pork, or lamb, and you mix it together. Chop in red onions. Salt, black pepper. Italian parsley. And cinnamon. Cinnamon. You mix it all together.
Wow.
It took me like an hour just to mince everything. Wow. And I let it marinate it for like 12 hours. You don't have to marinate for 12 hours. Wow. You can do it 2 or 3 hours.
Did y'all hear that?
Then, here's the key.
Okay.
The key is we got to crack it. We're all going to do it. We're going to roll it together like a little sausage. And we're going to wrap it into fat. It's called caul. C-A-U-L. It's the line. C-A-U-l.
C-A-U-L. Caul. Okay.
Yeah. All it is just the lining of the lamb. And what that does, it holds the meat together.
Okay.
When you grill it, it disappears. So that has a lot of fat and juice in it, so that juice melts into the meat, makes the meat coarse.
Gotcha. Okay, did y'all hear that? All right, that's it.
Never again. You're late, you already ate. I ain't got what it is now, I just make it. It's a Brazilian drink.
Okay.
It's called caipirinha.
Caipirinha? Okay, what's
the Brazilian version, the Spanish version of a mojito.
Oh, okay.
But this one just has water.
Okay.
Sugar, white sugar.
Okay.
Lime.
Okay.
And cachaça, which is Brazilian
rum. Y'all see that? Whoa. Okay. Well, I'm gonna try this.
151 proof.
Woo! Yeah. It's 51 proof.
It's some kind of proof.
Okay.
You can put it in the gas tank. I know that.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna have a little of it. I'm gonna try a little of it.
Well,
Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's my Monday, July 5th. I hope everybody had a safe and cool holiday. So anyway, I'm on here to ask you guys a question. And I know I'm probably late to the game. But I just found out about this show, Ambitions. Oh, y'all. It is something. Let me tell you. It is something. So anyway, it's got me hooked, y'all. It's got me hooked. So I've been watching it and I'm enjoying it. So today I am going to sit down. I'm going to eat one of the chicken breasts that I think I showed you on, I don't even know what today is. Sunday, maybe? Sunday. Anyway, we barbecued and I have some chicken breast in there and I have some salad, some pre-made salad. So I'm going to eat that and I'm going to enjoy this show. So anyway, this vlog should be started already because there's some events that are going to probably lead up to today. And by now, you guys probably know what project I am going to be moving on to. But what I haven't shared with you guys is that I've decided to probably I'm going to take one room, one space in my house, and I'm going to declutter and revamp it. I don't know if you guys are like me, but if you move in a place, you tend to keep too much. I don't know, but I have so much stuff, and I'm like, my little laundry room, which is what I'm going to be working on, is just, it looks a hot mess, y'all. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like, so hang on. Yeah, so it's small, as you can see. There's not a whole lot of room in here, but there's possibilities, okay? I've got stuff all on top of the washers, the dryer. It's just too much. It's too much. Stuff behind, as you can see down there. It's just too much for me. So, previous vlog that I started, when I went to at home, I started buying some stuff to get organized. And so I'm going to show you, well, I'll show you once I start doing the project. But anyway, I'm going to have a series of decluttering and revamping. So if you guys want to join me, join in, and I want to know which room you're going to take or space in your house and what you're going to do, what you plan on doing with it to get rid of the stuff that you're not using and making it more presentable, and you're decluttering. So let me know if you're going to join in.